Any important announcements or anything before we dive into it or take any questions?
One big one, a huge one. We're gonna start like this Thursday is gonna stay the same. Hey, everything is great. That nothing's gonna change. Me and Tim are here every Thursday, but on Mondays we're gonna switch that out and turn it into a paid membership video on YouTube, and it's going to be $49 a month, and it's just strictly we're going to have a once a week video, me doing like how to do something, an application. Like I'm going to do a whole bunch of net 30 accounts, basically straight teaching, direct information, up to date. The mentor program live, basically doing all the things in it and so on. Not the stuff that's in the course. You have to have that information already, but you come on, you have all that, and 'cause we don't really have a live mentor expert level thing, for our long term students, and we've really been needing that. So that's what we're going to turn Mondays into, that long term thing. And if you're a member on YouTube and you do it, oh hey, that looks cool. You're going to get access to all the past videos that I do. So it'll be a large body of knowledge that will be there via YouTube, for everyone. There are actually 2 times I've done this in the past, a little bit. And that's part of like the mentor program now. Oh, look at this past information and stuff.